dear students, welcome to Sri Rabindranath Tagore online classes. So today we are going to learn a lesson called A Merry Christmas. Lesson name is A Merry Christmas. So in this lesson we are having new words, merry, exclaim, grow, and mommy. Okay, so these are the today's new words. Okay, so let us see what all things we are going to see in this lesson. First point, let me explain once again. But listen and say aloud. Then we'll discuss warm-up questions. Then we'll go for a lesson. Read. Okay. So I hope you guys are aware what is Merry Christmas. Okay. It is one of festival which is celebrated by Christianisms. Okay. Who all are Christians, they are going to celebrate this festival. How we guys are having, like Hindus having many festivals. Yes. Hindus having like Deepavali, Dasahara, yes, etc. So many festivals we are having. Yes, like Muslims are having Eid, yes, then Bakri Eid, whatever. So many festivals we are having. Like that only Christians are having festival called a Christmas. So what do you mean by a merry? Merry means a happy. Okay, happiness when we celebrate a festival. Okay. So here new words are merry, exclaim, grow, and mom. So let us start with our lesson. Listen and say aloud. Okay. So here total there are 8 words. First one is lecturing. So what do you mean by lecturing? When somebody is talking about one particular topic, okay, and they are explaining about that thing, that is called lecturing. Yes. Then the second one is exclaiming. Second word is exclaiming. So what do you mean by exclaim? When we are surprised. Yes. When we are surprised, that time we use the word exclaim. Then third point is color. Color means it is like a light perfume which doesn't have any smell. It is one type of perfume only, but it doesn't give any smell. Then the fourth one is shrieking. What do you mean by shrieking? Like hurting. Okay. Then frantically. Okay. Frantically means what? It is like a madness which we are having about something. If you love something too much, that time we will be frantical. Yes. Melodramatic. What do you mean by melodramatic? Melodramatic is nothing but a sweet drama. Then despairing means sadness. Then groan means, for example, you are playing and if you got hurted, that time what you will do? You will make some funny noises, like this, yes or no? So that is called groan. Means when you say some words in a pain, that is called groan. Okay. So guys, we have seen listen and say aloud. Okay. So when you will come to the school, that time we'll say these words loudly. Okay. So now let us discuss the warm-up questions. First question is what? Is your family small or a large? Okay. So is your family is a small or a large? Small family in the sense like mummy, papa, brother, sister, only 4 members or 5 members. Okay. And what do you mean by joint family? Where you are having your grandparents with you, your aunt, uncle, your cousins, you people, your parents. These all members are staying in one home only. That is called a big family. Yes, you guys are aware this. Yes or no? Single family and a large family. Joint family. Yes or no? So here they have asked you either your family is a single family or it is a large one. Okay. So if you ask me, mine is a single family where we used to stay, my mother, father, I, my baby and my husband. Yes. So second question is what? If you were to give something to your family members, what would you give and why? Okay. So now we have seen that which type of a family ours is. Okay. Now if you wanted to give any gift to your family members, what gift would you like to give? Okay. So if you ask me, I would suggest that according to their what needs, I am going to give them a gift. For example, if my father needs mobile phone, why? Because he don't have touch screen mobile. He is having a keypad mobile. So on a festival, what I would like to give him, I'll give him a touch screen mobile. Yes or no? Like this, which type of gifts would you like to give your parents or to your family members? That thing you people have to write in. Okay. So here in this lesson, like that type of one joint family we are having, where so many characters are there and how they are celebrating their festival and how they are exchanging gifts with each other. Okay. So let us see who all characters are there. Little bit explanation about the lesson. Okay. Okay, first now we have discussed the warm-up questions. So the next point now is reading a lesson, and before we read a lesson, let us see which are characters we are having. Here we are having March family. Okay. In this March family, we are having 4 members. First one is Joe, Meg, Beth, and the Anne. Okay. And in this March family, who is mother, Mrs. March. Okay. In this lesson, we are having total 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5th character is mother. Okay, one more character we are having, but it is like in this lesson, father is also there, but he is far away. He is fighting in the war for the nation. Okay. So here, what do you mean by March family? March family in the sense like how we guys are having our surnames. Yes. For example, party. Party we are having. Yes. Sarur. Yes or no? So like that, here the surname is called March. So it is a March family, and in this family there are 4 sisters: Jo, Mag, Beth, and the Anne. And in this March family, now the head of this family is Mr. March, and this March means father is Amit. Okay, so now you guys got a little bit idea that in this family which all characters we are having. Yes or no? So guys, in today's session we have seen new words. With that, listen and say aloud words with its meaning. Even we have discussed the warm-up questions also. With it, we have seen the characters. Which all characters we are having in this lesson. Yes or no? So in next session, we'll learn the remaining part. Okay? So till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you guys.